Honorable Muralidhar Rao ji, the brainchild behind Bharat Niti, the interactive interface between the government and public per se on policy matters only. We only deal about policy matters for the problems that are existing within the country. And this defense being the most important thing was taken as a policy matter wherein the indigenization and beyond, as the subject goes, is what is going to be the interactive session today. All the points have generally been covered by all the speakers. हिंदी में एक सेइंग है, शांति का रथ उस मार्ग पे नहीं चल सकता जिस पर तोपें बिछी हों। हमारे आसपास सिर्फ तोपों की फैक्ट्रियां हैं और कुछ नहीं है। Another saying we go by saying that if you want to be living in peace, be ready and prepared for war. Preparation of war cannot depend upon the external forces. So here comes that the best helping hand is at the end of your arm. That's your own hand. And that is where the Indian industry comes in. Since all the points have been covered, I'll summarize the entire thing into 3 subjects. I'm drawing a very rough simile of what I had studied in 82, 83 when the computers had just come in: hardware, software, and the humanware. First, we'll tackle hardware, which is the primary subject of the industry. JANS 2016 gives a 3 lakh crore budget, the 4th largest expenditure by India on defense and security issues. From Jugaad for 75,000, which is a combination of tractor, truck, and Tullu, to Mangalyaan at 4 rupees 86 paisa per kilometer, is given by this industry. You are the strength. I was very happy when I was doing my tank technology course. We have been to all the PSUs, the Navratnas. It was somewhere in 95, 96. When I was I will not be naming the industry because it is something which is secret. I saw the lightest element, lightest compound, metallic compound of the world, Litel. That thing has been pasted here in my brain. Litel, which was lighter than the paper and strongest of the strongest material available. I'm sure those in the PSUs are aware who was doing on it. And the second was the carbon fiber component, which was being developed for the re-entry vehicles. And I'm so happy to see today that 83 vehicles have been launched by the same PSLVs by innovative and ingenuity of the same industry. Because whether it be PSU or private industry, both are industry into defense. That they've been able to launch 83 vehicles, and it is the continuous effort of this hardware, and that is industry. Coming on to the software. 85% of the NASA intelligence is coming from India. Genesis of the entire computerization, at least 90% is Indian brain. When we are talking about software now, giving a rough simile, is Indian brains. Application of that same software towards hardware. We'll go one by one. Application of the same software towards hardware. If the same thing can be done in NASA, why can't it be done in India? We have the industry, we have the human resources. The same must be done at the best possible way. I remember in 1984 when we were doing an operation, and my recovery gear, the primary gear of the recovery broke up. I'll be mixing the language, it will be easier. जिस समय में वो रिकवरी का गियर हमने अपने चैनल से डिमांड किया, हमें बताया गया it will take about a month, and the recovery gear takes the entire load of the logistics. We went to Batala और उसने वो recovery gear बना के हमको at about 1/10 the price दे दिया, for which the imported price would have been very high. That's a lead to the industry. Coming to the humanware, well, my brother-in-arms are already there, which are looking for the support of hardware and software. Where Bharat Niti comes in is the bus, which is the interactive session, which is the interactive platform between the three wares. I think that is enough, and after this, we'll have someone else who will be addressing. Thank you.